A little bit more aggressive. She's kind of not on walks. Alright, so did everyone get a chance to pool? Yeah? You guys all got to pool? Awesome. Hi, Rose. Hi, Rose. So now you guys, we're going to start on I'll show you guys what the story now. I think you guys are snorkeling in the beach. Right here.
They do like you. Pretty bird. Hola, ¿cómo está? Is it advised not to take off your hat if you have one?